Your dishwasher filtration system minimizes sound, optimizes water, and conserves energy while providing superior cleaning performance. Throughout the life of your dishwasher, the filter will require maintenance to sustain peak cleaning performance. The filter assembly keeps oversized items and foreign objects along with very fine food particles out of the pump. The filter assembly may need to be cleaned when there are soils left on the dishes feel gritty to the touch, visible objects or soils are on the upper filter assembly. It's easy to remove and maintain the filters. The chart shows a suggested cleaning frequency. 1 to 3 loads per week, clean the filter every 2 months. 4 to 7 loads per week, clean the filter once per month. 8 to 12 loads per week, clean the filter every 2 weeks. 13 to 14 loads per week, clean the filter once per week. The filter is located in the bottom of the dishwasher. Turn the upper filter assembly 1/4 turn counterclockwise and lift out. Grasp the lower filter in the circular opening, lift slightly, and pull forward to remove. Clean the filters by rinsing them under running water until most of the soils are removed. If you have hard to remove soils or calcium deposits from hard water, a soft brush may be required. Important: do not use a wire brush, scouring pad, etc., as they may damage the filters. Place the lower filter under the locating tabs in the bottom of the dishwasher. Insert the upper filter assembly into the circular opening in the lower filter. Slowly rotate the upper filter assembly clockwise until it drops into place. Continue to rotate until the filter is locked into place. The upper filter assembly arrow does not have to align with the arrow on the lower filter as long as the filter is locked. Important: to avoid damage to your dishwasher, do not operate without the filters properly installed. Be sure the lower filter is securely in place and the upper filter assembly is locked. If the filter assembly turns freely, it is not locked into place.